Oh, hello, neighbor. Glad you guys came in for this episode. So today I have my memory card, neighbor. This is going to be an informational episode about me, Max, and Brian. If you guys want to know anything about us, I'll give you a little information about what we do here. And a little bit about the shop. And that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to talk to you about the wicked corny Halloween episode that's coming up. So, let's get right to it. Get a little R&R. Oh, on my back. Oh, while you're here, before we get to the end and say this, so like, subscribe, comment, fast forward, rewind, eject, do all the, hit the buttons. Hit them all. Do all that now so that it's done, so you get it out of the way. I don't want you guys forgetting, because a lot of you guys have been forgetting to hit the like and subscribe. I get a couple here and there. So do it now, so you're prepared, okay? Do it now. I'll wait. Okay, so for the last 18 years, I've been working here. Quit all my other jobs, phased out of my other job, started working part-time somewhere else. In my last job, so finally I'm like, yep, I'm just gonna go for it. So 18 years ago, I started my shop. This is my commute. Just so you know, you guys are probably wondering, this is it. I walked from there to here for the last 18 years. So right about, hold on. Right about here, that line, my wife can't cross because all her stuff stays nice and all the crap stays down here. My big mess, my big glorious mess that I love. So she gets that half of the yard. I get from that line back. I make a mess pretty much. But anyways, what else am I supposed to talk about? I have a huge memory card, a huge list that my wife told me to talk about. So anyways, I used to do restorations. This is the first year I'm not going to do a restoration. I've been doing a restoration every year for the last 18 years. This year's, I'm all done with them. I'm all done doing restorations. My wife's like, don't say that. I'm all done with the restorations. I'm doing my own stuff now. So anyways, doing my own projects because she tells me I'm getting really old. Aged. Aged is what it is. And time is running out. Well, that's great. I'm glad she wrote that down. Oh, I want to do it while I still can. I don't know why she thinks I'm old or something. What is she doing? Anyways, but I do love my job. I do like doing it. I just want to do my stuff myself. Also, this is me having R&R. We'll let that run for a minute. So that's me running, not running, but having a good time at the river with my dogs. I did that for a little while, and they were happy. My dogs love it. The one dog Bandit doesn't, the alarm system, he doesn't go in the water. So that was that. So if you've seen last week's episode, it was me getting the Cadillac all the way up to paint. And then after that, Brian's coming. After that, so you'll see a little bit of the finished product after I painted it. Okay, so if you watched the last episode, I was getting this ready for paint. This has been painted. I painted the quarter panel, blended into the door, and so we're gonna be putting this Cadillac back together. Like I said, there's Brian. This is Cadillac week. It was Cadillac week. We're finishing it up and to get new things done for the week. So that's this one. Took that off the back. Just a little update. Both sides are done. Painted. Now we're gonna put it back together. I did wet sand and buff the whole side. Probably showed you guys how I do that too. When I wet sand and buff, I go over it with 2000 grit. Then I step up to 25. Then I step up to 3000. I wet sand it, by the way. After that, I'll buff it with a compound so it looks semi-shiny again, mostly shiny. Then I'll go wipe that down, go over it with a polish. And then after my polish, I go with a different kind of polisher. There's my mess here. This is my pad. This is my polish pad. Then I go over with this buffer afterwards. It's more of a final buffing, like a jitterbug type. Gets all the swirl marks out. And I use that Ultra That's my final product, swirl remover. That's just like how I do it. It's because, I don't know, it works for me. That's what I like. It does a nice job. But I love fixing rust. I love doing rocker panels. I always have. Even when I used to work for a dealership, they always used to give me the rust. Always gave me the rust. And I love doing it. I don't care. I'll do it all day long. Until one day, we went flat rate and all the rust stopped. Because everybody else hates it. But I've always liked doing rust, so I do rust. And that's all I do now. So I got 30 years experience. That's how old I am. I've been doing it. No, it's 31. She wrote 30. I've been doing it since 93. We're in 2024. That's 31 years. Twice as old as Max. No, almost twice as old as Max. So anyways, that's a little bit about me. And anyways, that's Brian. Brian, tell us about yourself.
Just woke up.
Okay, so yeah, so that's that. So a little talking there. So that's it. So hopefully Max showed you a bunch of pictures and stuff of stuff going around and whatever. The Cadillac. That's it. Okay. Oh, she wanted me to tell you I have a degree in collision repair. I did collision repair for a long time. And like 10, what did I do that? 10? No, I did collision repair for about 18 years. About as long as I've been doing this for myself. I've been doing collision repair. I did collision repair for 18 years. And then I started doing this. But that would be 36. Ah, you guys can add. So half of that was a blend between here and there until I finally went here full time. Oh, we have to thank the Escalade guy for giving us a nice comment. So his name is, and then we're going to put it here somewhere. Thank you for the nice comment. So that's it. That's a background on me. That's this week's episode. And now we're going to get to filming the Halloween part we needed Brian for. Oh wait, should I not have said that? Because now they'll know. Oh no, they don't care. The Brian's in it. He's in the beginning. Okay, very good. We'll get back to that in a second. That's it. These things never seem to leave my shop. I don't know why. That's why I don't want them coming here. Monte Carlos, they never leave. Someday he'll pick it up. This is Max's project car. He's gonna have this all done and painted before he leaves us. Max's motor. He's very proud of that. Max is very proud of his motor.
Freshly rebuilt.
Yep, all redone. That's where all his money is.
Yeah.
It's all in there.
About $2,000 right here.
Another one of my favorite words is, where's my? Because I put stuff down and I don't pick it back up. Some people put stuff down, they pick it back up. I put stuff down, I pick stuff up. No, I put stuff down and where's my, whatever I'm looking for? I lose everything. Anyways, that's it. So, bonus tip for all you guys out there. So I have my guide coat. I gotta spray this on there. It's not spraying. You see, it's spraying okay. So you gotta keep shaking it until the ball stops. Little tip. Once you stop hearing the rattle, that's how you know it's mixed enough, okay? Just a little tip for you guys, FYI. My wife really wants me to talk about her car because I didn't do much on it this week. So we're gonna paint it white. As you can see, I started doing white. So we started doing nothing this week to it because I'm super busy and I'm having paint color problems. Anyways, so we'll get to this soon. So thanks for watching. I got my memory card. There's not a whole bunch on it. It just says a little scribble, it says thank you for watching. Thanks for the Cadillac Escalade guy again for giving me that, thanking me and whatever. So like, subscribe, comment like you missed. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you didn't do it then, you have a chance to do it now. I'll wait again. Okay, did you do it? I'll give you a few more seconds. Yeah, that button there, yeah, that one. Yep. And that, yes, that's two. Okay, get everything pressed, good. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.